expected to miss up to 6 months of action.
Roman Reigns trying his best to power out of the submission attempt. Physical, both men suffered through a grueling fatal five-way last night. Both men are bringing their A game tonight just for the right to be called the better man.
And Booker, every time Roman Reigns has tried to fight back into this, Bray Wyatt's able to cut him back down.
You know, we talk about Roman Reigns and the stamina, but I tell you, just landed a big right hand right there. The Wars, they catch up with you sooner or later, Cole.
Bray sent out of the ring by Reigns, and this buys Roman very valuable time. Looking to regroup, get his head back in it. Bray Wyatt has been putting Reigns through the ringer for the first couple of moments of this matchup. Now the official begins the count as the Eater of Worlds finds himself in trouble. Roman back to his feet, able to block Bray and deliver a right hand. Kick right to the midsection. And the big dog starting to hunt.
Tell you, the fighting Roman Reigns just says, I will not quit. He's a fighter.
There's no quitting Bray Wyatt, though, Booker. One of the most diabolical minds in sports entertainment. I guarantee you, with every one of these strikes that Roman's landing, Bray's trying to formulate another plan.
Yeah, Bray, a former WWE champion who catches Roman Reigns off the ropes. Roman with a rebound of his own. Quickly into the cover. Can he put Bray Wyatt away? Kick out by Wyatt. These two men were joined by Seth Rollins and Finn Balor, and the eventual winner, Samoa Joe, in the fatal five-way last night that indeed changed the course of the new era on Monday Night Raw.
Take a look at this. Hellacious clothesline from Roman Reigns. Still wasn't able enough to keep the Eater of Worlds down, though.
So, I mean, Roman Reigns, he's been through many wars, and, you know, sometimes you tend to want to just, you know, not want to keep going through those battles, but Roman Reigns seems to thrive on it.
Yeah, Roman's been through many of those battles over the years with the man he's in the ring with, Bray Wyatt. A lot of people forget Bray Wyatt cost Roman the opportunity to be Mr. Money in the Bank a few years ago. Oh, look at this, even Roman Reigns taking it back. Oh, went for the Superman punch. Bray caught him with the Uranagi. And here's the cover by Wyatt. Is it enough to put him away here? Almost had him. How did Roman stay alive?